Workshop Wednesday. Whoo, Lord. It's not hot. It's been I scared Eli. He's over there. It's been hot for some reason. Not hot. Yesterday was in the low 90s. It's been nice. Cool. Me and Eli both are dragging. We feel just like Mama Tess right there. We're doing good. We're having a big old day. I got a cool pair of spurs going, and I got a cool buck on show you. I've been drawing for a while. So this is my Wacom tablet that you see right there. So then down here, I've been drawing kicking along on all this stuff. And got some cool flowers. And Eli told me he thought that one looked dead because it was all droopy. He's probably right. It might be dead. It's kind of droopy. Anyhow, with your flower guys, I think there's flowers that droop down like that and the center pokes up. But anyhow, it's all cool. Y'all listen to the podcast this week. Had Matt Humphreys on there. Outlaw Water Jet. Matt's a great guy. That was a lot of fun talking to Matt. I've known Matt a long time, and what an inspiration he is to me, and what a talented guy. So it's fun visiting with Matt. And we got a good one next week. I won't divulge any names yet. Y'all need to tune in and go see it on Spotify Monday mornings with Carrie and Willie. So we go check it out. What about Tuesdays at 2? Did that yesterday with Willie. We asked a couple questions and then inadvertently hurt my buddy T-Roy's feelings. I didn't mean to. You ask a really hard question. I don't know how to answer it, and all I could think about was the way I was feeling. So he said I was giving young makers advice, and he said he asked a question. He said, "What about for old men, old makers?" And I said, "Well, quit eating and don't drink so much whiskey." That's how I was feeling about myself. My belly was sticking out, and we've had lots of social activities with the 4th of July and all that stuff. And he thought sorry, T-Roy. I've been thinking about it though. I want to I'm going to answer some of that stuff. Old makers and the mindset as we watch young guys like Eli kicking butt and how do we progress forward with our careers. I'm going to ponder on that. And so y'all tune in next week for Tuesdays at 2 o'clock Central Time. So if you're in a different time zone. Had a guy from Iceland ask a question. That's cool. Jacob, that's his name, Eli? Jacob Larusen? Yeah, that was pretty cool. So thanks, Jacob, for doing that. He says he's the only bit maker in Iceland. So that's pretty dang cool. He's the best one out there, right? That's the way that works. So it's fun. So it's fun getting to share that with people and talk to them and all that business. What else we kicking? TCA, our TCA deadline was this week, which I've been done for a couple weeks. I'm bragging. I know them guys are mad at me, but it's really a cool time for all of us to get that stuff wrapped up, and then the excitement starts building. I'll share my video again, the great bit, and I'm gonna start sharing some videos and stuff. So y'all, hey, help a brother out, share some of that stuff, post it around. That'd be a good thing. But anyhow, just watch it, if nothing else. But what else we got, Eli? We got anything exciting? Air conditioner's kicking. It's nice and cool in here. Life is good. Got computer screens going everywhere, drawing and designing. Got lots of cool. I got some really cool stuff lined up for the next 2 or 3 months of orders. Been having some great conversations. Nice belt buckle, this one right here. Our buddy Ben Brooks. Me and Ben gonna do this, and so this is gonna be a cool buckle. And then I got another really, really cool buckle coming in a month or two, and been designing on it. And a cool pair of spurs, and so. Really fun stuff. Y'all stay tuned to all that business, and I'll be posting pics. So anyhow, we'll see y'all next week. Adios.